All right, so I had to call it quits. So I'm continuing today. I have to drill some holes in the manifold. It turns out there is a medium-sized injector, and that's what I got. So luckily there's enough meat there to do whatever I want to do. Got all the plumbing done on the back side. Whole manifold's bolted up. Got the throttle body temporarily mounted, so I'm not quite sure if I want this throttle bracket on this side or on this side. So I'll figure that out once I get it in the car. So I'm gonna go ahead and put you guys back on time lapse. Well, there you have it. She's ready to go on the car, except got some cleaning up to do. So yeah, get this harness tucked away a little bit better in here, nice and tight, because now it's going to be way more visible with this big old intake on here. So time to do that. Check out this cool little trick. Trying to get your hands in here. I mean, I probably should put the fuel rail on last, but just hook a hose to it. And just spin that bolt right in with ease. Gotta be creative sometimes. Make your life easier. What is up, guys? I don't know what happened to the end of this video, but I must have forgot to hit record. So I was basically talking to a camera for no reason and missed all of that. So I'm gonna give you a sneak peek at the intake minus the intake tube that we had to do in the last video, plus running it. And also got some very exciting things to mention in the next video. But I'm gonna end it there. Thanks for watching.